All right, Felician breakdown. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm assuming Wilfredo's going to throw game one against Wilmington. But if he doesn't, I'll put him in here. But Mike Caldone, a likely candidate for us to see. Caldone on the year 85, 87, 75% fastball. Going to really attack with the fastball. Quick arm swing. He struck out a shit ton of guys. 75 guys over 47 innings pitched. So there's got to be something to the fastball. With that many strikeouts, I'm going to assume it's a high spin guy, much like the Carter Welch kid that we faced from SNU way back. I know he was a lefty, but just looking at the video and matching that with the numbers and the data that we have on Caldon, however you say his last name, I'm going to assume it's an airplane fastball. We need to get him down in the zone. You saw right there, you get that fastball down in the zone. Looks like one that is a lot easier to handle. High leg kick guy looks like a guy that we can take advantage of on the bases. We ran all over Felician last time. Next candidate to start would be Logan Waltz. Has pitched a ton this year for them. Velo a little bit off. This is early in the season against Lemoyne. Probably cold as shit. March 10th in Syracuse, New York. Everybody wearing ski masks. Let's see if we can get some. That's really all we have on him is the Lemoyne video, unfortunately. But Logan Waltz, what we have on him overall, 83, 85. He pitched 27 innings. Gave up 43 hits, only walked 6 guys, struck out 24. So heavy strike thrower, going to be around the zone, not going to be able to get much past you, but just not really going to let you breathe. Johnny's best friend, Nick DiCarlo, another candidate to start. Guy that we faced in Game 2 at Felician. Nick's an upper 80s, low 90s fastball. Likes to throw the slider a good bit. Slider's hard as well. Nick pitches definitely have to be disciplined in the zone. Threw 52 innings for them this year. Gave up 47 hits. He struck out 74 guys. Thought we handled him really well the first time around. Had a really good approach against him. Able to knock him around a little bit. Some of their leverage guys out of the pen. Ralph Gambino. Gambino, upper 80s guy. A little bit north of 60% on the fastball use. Wants to throw the slider off the plate off of that. Mar really good at bat here. Just being disciplined. Dylan Morial, another leverage guy out of their bullpen. Mid to upper 80s, right-handed pitcher. Threw 43 innings this year. Gave up 53 hits, 44 strikeouts, 25 walks. So decent numbers on Dylan. Again, he was one of their high leverage guys. Guy that wants to live away. A lot of their guys outside of Wilfredo all want to pitch the same way. Backup slider there. Throw the fastball to set up a slider. Oh man, tilt your head to see this one. Left-handed pitcher Jordan Savion, excuse me. Low to mid 80s left-handed pitcher. Threw 28 innings for them this year. Gave up 39 hits, only 13 walks, and 24 punchies. So a guy that's around the zones, going to attack with everything he has. But lefty, we need to lean on him, look to hunt out over the plate. Van Horn, another guy that we've already seen in relief, 84 to 86. Kind of all over the board with his pitch usage. And then lastly, Wilfredo was really good against us, and we grinded out this game. Wilfredo, I would assume, is going to throw game one against Bloomington, but that doesn't mean that we couldn't see him again in the tournament, as he threw 150 pitches last week against Bloomfield. Yes, that's right. 100. Sorry, I lied. Like 147. Wilfredo, redshirt senior, one of the best pitchers in the conference last couple years. His velo was down a little bit against us, but I thought he was really good. 86 to 88. Heavy changeup usage. A guy that we just have to really lean on. Look to go the other way. Which I think Johnny was there, and he actually accidentally came in with a fastball. But just a really good feel for the baseball. We get him, we're just going to have to grind it out.